Today, we're diving into the powerhouse of modern agriculture at the 2026 John Deere 9RX 640. Is this the king of high-horsepower tractors? Let's find out. The 2026 John Deere 9RX 640 is one of the largest and most capable four-track tractors on the market. With a massive 640 horsepower from its 13.6-liter JD14X diesel engine, this beast is built for heavy-duty field work, tillage, seeding, and more. It comes equipped with the new E21 Power Shift Ascent transmission, improved cooling capacity, and an enhanced hydraulics package to support larger implements. Engine: 13.6 liters JD14X, 6-cylinder horsepower, 640 horsepower transmission, E21 Power Shift fuel tank, 515 gallons max speed, till to 25 miles per hour. The exterior of the 9RX 640 screams brute strength and precision. Its quad-track system offers enhanced traction and reduced soil compaction. John Deere's signature green and yellow finish remains, but this 2026 model features refined LED lighting, redesigned fenders, and better access points for serviceability. The sleek, industrial design isn't just for looks, it's engineered for performance. Step into the cab and you'll feel like you're in a command center. The Command View Sense 4 Plus cab is larger and quieter, and comes with active command steering Sense for better control. The Gen 5 Command Center Sense display gives you full control over tractor functions, auto track, and precision ag tools. You also get integrated Fireline Sense GPS, wireless data transfer, and remote support, all from the driver's seat. When you're in the field for 12-16 hours a day, comfort is critical, and John Deere knows it. The cab is equipped with active seat ascents 2 for suspension that adjusts in real time. There's improved cab suspension, reduced vibration, and better insulation to keep things quiet and smooth. Climate control, premium leather seating, and optional refrigerator make long days a bit more bearable. The 9RX 640 delivers unmatched power and torque under load. Its E21 Power Shift Ascent transmission offers smoother gear transitions, improving fuel efficiency and reducing operator fatigue. With up to 115 gallons per minute of hydraulic flow, it can handle the biggest and most demanding implements with ease. Field efficiency is top-tier thanks to integrated precision ag tech, which minimizes overlap and boosts productivity. The 2026 John Deere 9RX 640 isn't just a tractor, it's a tool of transformation for large-scale farming. It combines raw power, smart technology, and operator-first design to handle the most demanding jobs with ease. If you're managing thousands of acres and need reliability, comfort, and cutting-edge precision, the 9RX 640 is hard to beat. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the review, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth looks at the latest ag and heavy-duty machines.